In this video, I'm going to show you how to move all of your files in your Google Drive from one account to another account. So this is surprisingly a very straightforward process. The first thing we need to do is just open up an internet browser, and in the address bar, we're going to type in takeout.google.com and hit enter. Now, just make sure you're signed in to the Google account that contains all of your files and folders. And then once you're signed in, scroll down to the bottom here, click on the deselect all button, and then scroll down again until you see Drive in this list, which is here. So make sure this option is turned on and enabled. And what we're essentially going to do is download all of this information that's in our drive. So once you have this selected, scroll right down to the bottom of this page, click on Next Step, where it says Transfer to, we're going to select Send Download Link via email. For the frequency, make sure this is set to Export Once. File type, you want to set to zip. And for the file size, I like to set mine at the largest number possible. And then we can go and press Create Export. Now, what this is going to do is download all of your files and folders on your Google Drive account. And it's basically going to download all of this into one single zip file. So you can see here that sometimes it can take a long time depending on how much data you have. It can even take several hours or days if you have a load of information to download. So once this is finished, all you'll simply need to do is go over to Google and sign in to your Gmail account. And once the transfer is completed, you'll get an email that looks something similar to this. And to go and download all of these files and folders, just click on Download Your Files, and that's going to automatically start downloading to your computer. So you can see we have this zip file over here. And once this is finished downloading, you'll just need to head over to the Downloads folder on your computer. From the Downloads folder, go and locate that zip file and just right click on it. Click on Extract All, click on Extract, and then just give that a couple of seconds while it extracts all of these files to your computer. So now if I double click on this Takeout folder, then double click on Drive, we're now going to be able to see all of the files and folders that were originally on our Google Drive. So to go and send these files to the new Google Drive account, all you would need to do is open up an internet browser and sign in to your new Google account. Click on the square icon in the top navigation and click on Drive. Select New in the top left-hand side. Select Folder Upload, and then just go and navigate over to the folder that we just exported. So it's this Takeout one here. Double click on that. Double click on Takeout, and then go and select the Drive folder and just press Upload. And it's going to upload all of the content of this folder to the Google Drive. So you can just go and press this upload button here. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.